Hi everyone, it's So Giraffe here. I've had a bit of a week, so far. So on Monday, I worked on fixing my cow plush sewing pattern. Unfortunately, it just wasn't working and I had to table it. I actually started a new project. So I'll talk about it a bit more when I get to Saturday because that's when I started it. And then I had to do some troubleshooting with our eggplant. His name is Chicken, and unfortunately Chicken was wilting quite a bit, so I don't know if he was getting too much water or he wasn't getting enough. It was warm the last couple of days, so I'm thinking that's probably part of it. So I gave him a little extra water. He seems to have perked up, so let's just hope I can keep him alive. That's the main goal. On Tuesday I gave blood. Unfortunately I had a bad reaction to it, so that pretty much shot my whole day. On Wednesday, I sewed up some stitches from Lilo and Stitch, and I think they turned out really good. I'll show those to you guys in a minute. On Thursday, I worked on my unicorn backpack that I'm making for myself, just because I love unicorns. I think they're awesome. On Friday was like the busy day. I did laundry, shopping, and then I ended up working on the unicorn backpack some more. And then finally on Saturday, I went to Ojai, which is a bit of a drive, but they had a ceramics festival, so that was a lot of fun going around and seeing what people have made. I took a ceramics class one time in college, and it was really hard, so it's kind of amazing what people can make. I took a photo of the music festival because I always forget that's in early June. I always like, oh, I want to go see it. And so hopefully by taking this picture and putting it in here, maybe I'll remember it for next time. So what I got done this week. Today's just been kind of a normal day for Sunday, so nothing really exciting. So I got the head done for my unicorn. Almost looks like a mask, how big it is. Very excited. It's very fluffy. I think she's going to turn out really good, but I think she's going to be easily dirty. And then I made stitches, not just one, not just two, but 3 stitch babies. I thought he would be an important addition to my booth, the Lavender Festival, just so that way I can make sure that I'm in touch with the times right now, and like this is something that people want. Oh, speaking of the booth, I actually did practice my Lavender Festival booth. I just got all my pieces together. I had actually forgotten about some things I had made, so that was kind of fun. So now I just need to figure out a way to organize them. I might do that shortly after I get done recording this, and we'll see how that turns out, and I'll add that to next week's video blog. So anywho, I have an interview on Thursday, so fingers crossed. And then I'm hoping that the dream job, which is I'm still in the running for it, haven't been turned down yet. I'm hoping that moves forward. Like that is the dream job right there. So keep your fingers crossed for me. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Happy crafting, and bye.